Good morning guys and welcome back to yet another episode of Game On Garage, where today we're doing a PowerBrake upgrade on our Racecar MX-5. I would just like to say a huge thank you to Stock-ish coming on board on the MX-5 Racecar project and helping us out with all our brake goodies. I'll leave a link in the description below to their website, Instagram, Facebook, where you can check them out. They are really the best price company when it comes to brake parts, brake pads, brake fluid, as well as brake lines. Go check them out, show them some love, give them some support as they support us. Alright, let's check these brakes out. Wow, there we go. Now, since the rules state that you're not allowed to really make any power or engine upgrades, there was no need to go for any big brake kits. So this is just a standard size replacement. These brakes on the car currently are already done, so they needed replacing anyway. There are quite a nice features. The color temperatures over here, that changes color when it comes to certain temperature. Obviously they're nice and vented, and they have some slotted to get rid of some brake gas that builds up as well. Also, they look perfectly, and which is quite nice is they already come clean, no need to clean them. Let's get started. Since we'll be undoing the wheel, remember to loosen your lug nuts lightly before jacking up the car and then using your jack stand for safety. With the wheel off, we can undo the two 14mm nuts that holds on the caliper. Alright, so with the caliper off and set out of the way without putting some strain on the brake line, the old brake disc just comes off. But before we put the new one on, there will always be some rust buildup on your hub. So get yourself a nice metal brush and just brush as much of that off as possible. With the rust off, it's time to put the new discs on. Now, most discs will come with some oil on them to protect them from rust while in storage. But as you can see, these ones is fit as is, do not clean. So with our brand new caliper back on, it's time to put these wheels back on. Side note, these wheels will go back on for their last time. And there we go guys, a nice, easy upgrade on our MX-5, replacing your brake rotors. They look excellent on there. There's definitely going to be a slight brake performance increase now that they've got those added slots. They're also a bit thicker, I believe, so they can take more temperature. And we've got those temperature paint marks which will give us a rough idea of what brake temperature we are running on the track. This really is something that you can do at home. It's real easy, a nice upgrade. Just be sure to bleed your brakes if you did lose some brake fluid in the process. If you like this video guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more race car projects if you haven't already. There's a lot more coming soon. Next up, we will be replacing our brake hoses. But in the meantime, remember, it's not game over, it's game on.